Hello, which kind of rubber gloves you are using in your home? Latex rubber gloves, nitrile rubber gloves, or PVC gloves? These three kinds of gloves look to be very similar, but has quite big difference. Today, let me use 1 minute to teach you how to choose the proper rubber gloves. Firstly, latex rubber gloves is made of natural latex rubber. It's soft and flexible, easy to wear and take off. It's very good choice for dishwashing and doing other homework. However, some of them may cause allergies, and if touching oil, detergent, or drying under the sun for a long time, it might become sticky and got aging. Next, nitrile rubber gloves is the substitute of the latex rubber gloves. It's made of synthetic nitrile rubber. It's oil-resistant, durable, non-stickless, and not allergic. It's perfect for sensitive skin and long-term cleaning. However, the price is a little bit higher, but worth it. Finally, PVC gloves is made of PVC materials. It's cheap, waterproof, is suitable for quick tasks. However, it's not so comfortable and flexible as latex rubber gloves. So, if you want to save money, you can choose it. Quick summary: daily dishwashing, first comment, latex rubber gloves. Heavy duty, oil resistant, nitrile rubber gloves. Want to save money and short time working, PVC gloves. Choose the right gloves, can protect your hand, make homework easier. Which kind of gloves you are using in your home? Comment below.